Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopify.com and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated furnace filters. If multiple coat layers and heavy blankets are the banes of the winter season, a furnace is definitely a blessing. Working in tandem with your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, furnaces helps you spread warm air when your toes are getting a bit too frosted without fuzzy socks. Given the taxing nature of such heavy functions imposed on your furnace, however, there is no guarantee that heating quality and maintenance costs will stay the same over the long run. To prolong the efficiency of your device, we highly recommend investing in a top-rated furnace filter. From capturing nasty clogged particles to improving the air circulation in your home, these 7 options have a range of features to keep you warm and healthy in this winter season. The team at TrustedShopify.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the furnace filters that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopify.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first furnace filter in our list is a BNX MERV 13 Air Filter 4-pack, which our team at TrustedShopify.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Capturing 3 to 10 microns of particles, the BNX MERV 13 Air Filter 4-pack is committed to assisting you in keeping your air circulation clean with leading breathability and air pressure drop. It has laminated steel grade and diagonal support for high-efficiency filtration, and each board comes in dimensions of 20 by 25 by 1 inch, which fits most HVAC systems. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: electrostatic filtration technology. Outperforming standard fiberglass filters and using the latest in 100% synthetic electrostatic filtration technology, this item delivers low airflow resistance as it organically sustains maximum filtration. Single-sided frame technology. This product offers a single-sided frame technology with recycled cardboard to reduce environmental waste. Easy to install. To install this furnace filter, you simply need to remove the plastic wrap label, locate the arrows, and insert the frame into the opening of your AC system. MERV 13 rating. With a minimum efficiency reporting values rating of 13, this filter captures 98% of airborne particles, including virus carriers, bacteria, odors, and allergens without disrupting the smooth airflow. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the frame may not be as strong if you remove the cardboard support, so be mindful of that when you're removing the plastic label. The second furnace filter in our list is the Filter King Air Filters 4-pack, which our team at TrustedShopify.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. With an electrostatically charged synthetic polyester media, the Filter King Air Filters 4-pack is a chemical-free model that maximizes the surface area to detain most particles as small as 0.3 microns with low airflow resistance. Compared to fiberglass units, this 20 by 25 by 1 inch pleated design is 20 times more effective in keeping pollutants away. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: MERV 11 rating. With a MERV 11 rating, this product keeps your airflow clean and healthy and easily catches contaminants like dust, lint, and pet dander. Tight mesh weaving. The furnace itself is constructed with tight mesh weaving to keep airflow coming in while also blocking out intruding airborne particles. Heat-resistant paperboard. If you're worried about the filter absorbing moisture, you can trust this item's paperboard frame since it can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Quick installation. To start using this product, all you need to do is open the plastic label, slide the board into your AC system, and close it. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the furnace filter is a bit on the thinner side, so be careful about storing them on a shelf with heavier tools. The third furnace filter in our list is the Aerostar Furnace Air Filter, which our team at TrustedShopify.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Performing similarly to models with a microparticle performance rating of 1500 to 1900 and a filter performance rating of 10, the Aerostar Furnace Air Filter falls under the MERV rating of 13. It is sized 20 by 25 by 1 inch, so it's perfect to use during peak summer and winter months. Each purchase includes 6 boards, so you can maintain a healthy environment for a longer time. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: cost-effective. This product gets rid of allergens that can worsen asthma symptoms without costing extra on installation materials or replacement papers. Electrostatically charged synthetic material. Constructed with electrostatically charged synthetic material, the filter draws out lint, bacteria, virus, spores, mold, and pollen between 0.3 to 1 microns. HVAC partner. Aside from maintaining the quality of your furnace, this item also enhances the quality of your HVAC through the removal and reduction of dirt and strain in the motor. Simple installation. You can already start using this product simply by unpacking the plastic label, following the direction arrows, and sliding the filter frame into the ventilation system. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is some users notice that the filter already gets clogged within a month as compared to other filters that need to be changed after 3 months. The fourth furnace filter in our list is the AIRx Pleated Air Filter, which our team at TrustedShopify.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Made with a keen eye for detail, the AIRx pleated air filter meets industry standards for filter efficacy, so anything that affects your indoor air, from allergens to odor, is drained. With a size of 20 by 25 by 1 inch, you can easily fit your HVAC system and perform its functions. You don't have to stock up a lot since each box contains a pack of 6, which can last you a whole year. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: versatile applications. With a MERV 11 rating, this air filter guarantees that your whole HVAC system stays efficient, so you can use it not just for heating furnaces, but also for ventilation and air conditioning. Moisture-resistant board. This product uses a moisture-resistant double-wall beverage board to give the filter stronger support and structure. Electrostatically charged. Using 100% synthetic electrostatically charged gradient media, this unit can perform ranging from 180 degrees Fahrenheit with continuous service to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Multiple filter replacement compatible. Instead of buying a variety of filters, you can just use this product since it works as efficiently as Allergen Defense MPR 1000, 1085, and 1200, and Odor Reduction MPR 1200. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, some customers mentioned that the furnace filter isn't quite good at filtering smoke and fog, so keep that in mind before making your purchase. The 5th furnace filter in our list is the Filterbuy air filter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Sized at 20 by 25 by 1 inch, the Filterbuy filter can be used not only for furnaces, but also for air conditioners, heat pumps, or any other HVAC system. It also has eco-friendly components, a larger surface area with 12 pleats per foot, and a longer lifespan so you can use it for the whole winter season. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: MERV 13 rating. Protecting your home from bacteria and virus-causing particles, this model has a MERV 13 rating, which means that it can trap 98% of harsh particles without damaging your airflow. Industrial-grade frame. With dual-wire back wiring and industrial-grade beverage board, this item has a strong and stable frame that outperforms traditional cardboard. High-quality construction. Featuring an electrostatically charged pleated design, this unit does better than a fiberglass model in capturing harmful airborne particles. Simple installation. This product is surrounded with arrows to instruct you on which parts match the direction of airflow in your HVAC system. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, some customers notice that the design causes clogging faster, but you can fix this by making sure that the board is installed properly. The 6th furnace filter in our list is the Nordic Pure Pleated Furnace Air Filter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Coming from a full line of air filters, the Nordic Pure Pleated Furnace Air Filter has exceptional filtration that's fit for home and even commercial environments. It has a MERV 12 rating with other HVAC systems that are rated MPR 1500-190. The 20 by 25 by 1 inch frame is constructed with moisture resistance so it doesn't promote the growth of bacteria or mold. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: pet dander filter. This air filter gets rid of shedding from furry animals like dogs to feathery animals like birds and hamsters, helping you avoid having asthma attacks or sneezing. Cleans out allergen. If you find your eyes watering frequently, you're going to need to trust this air filter since it removes allergens like dust mites, mold, and pollen that you probably don't notice. Recycled frame. This product is made with eco-friendly and recycled beverage board paper, making them more friendly on the environment. Filtration levels. In case you need a stronger filter to get rid of odor from cooking or laundry, you can adjust this product's filtration levels by adding the carbon layer filter. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, there are users who express concerns over the design, which seem to cause the filter to clog faster, so make sure to install it exactly to match the airflow. The 7th furnace filter in our list is the Filtrete Furnace Air Filter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Actively helping you to improve your home's air quality, the Filtrete Furnace Air Filter captures even the smallest particles that may be causing your eyes to water throughout the day. It has a standard profile of 20 by 25 by 1 inch, and each box comes with 2 boards that can last you the whole winter season. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3-in-1 technology. The 3-in-1 technology of this model simultaneously traps harmful air particles while letting cleaner air flow through smoothly, so one filter can last for about 3 months. MERV 12 rating. Garnering a rating of MERV 12, this item attracts and captures microscopic particles such as sneeze and coughing debris, bacteria, lint, and household dust and pollen. Easy to install. Whether you have a central unit or wall unit, this product comes with an arrow to help you point it toward the heating fan or air conditioning. Smart app. This unit comes with a smart app where you can subscribe to get reminders and tips on when and how to change your filter. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, this product doesn't filter exhaust particles, so you should add an extra filter in case you're struggling with the exhaust gases. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated furnace filters, which got our team at TrustedShopify.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next furnace filter roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopify.com again soon.